Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Hacks. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you how to change the Instagram name before 14 days or before waiting for 14 days. So in today's video, let's try changing the name before 14 days. So you need to hop into Instagram application. Make sure you have logged in or sign in on your Instagram account. Then tap on the profile icon which is at the bottom right. When you reach on the profile feed, tap on edit profile option. So here you can see the name option. Simply tap on name and let's try changing our name here. And after you have re-entered your another name, tap on the tick mark. So tap on change name. So here it is notified that you can't change your name right now because you can only change your name twice within 14 days. So how can we change it without waiting for 14 days? Because in order to change this Instagram name, you need to wait for the next 14 days, then only you will be able to change your Instagram name. So let's come back to the home page of Instagram account. After that, tap on the profile icon again on the bottom right corner and tap on three line icon on the upper right corner. So now tap on settings and privacy option. Scroll all the way down and here you can see under more info and support, tap on help. Now you need to tap on report a problem. Again tap on report problem option. Now tap on include and continue. So here on this report a problem page, you need to briefly explain that, hey Instagram team, I am not able to change my Instagram name before 14 days. Please fix this. After you have written this and screenshotted the error that has came during changing your Instagram name, then you need to screenshot that page and insert the attachment here. You can tap on upload which is at the bottom left corner and upload that attachment as well, and tap on the send option which is at the upper right corner. After you have sent a report to Instagram team, your problem will be definitely fixed. So you can easily change Instagram name before 14 days doing this step. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.